I was in a goddamn state of success and I was justifying his fucking existence.
I wanna kill myself, I wanna kill myself. It's all I hear right now, it's all I hear right now. I wanna kill myself, I wanna kill myself. It's all I hear right now, it's all I hear right now. I wanna break my vows, wanna neglect my health. How can I trust people if I can't trust myself? I wanna scream and shout, I wanna cry and pout, but I can't make myself. Why can't I make myself? I always seem to make the same mistakes, the kinds you can't go back to fix, that start to end. I'm dragging around a body made of clay. I'm just stairway, I'm just stairway. I wanna feel it all again and have somebody hold me in place. Tell it to my bruised face that I tried, but it was juvenile to think that I ever had a good thing going with a good being. So I'll go fuck myself till I'm too long to feel. Dance like a court jester, just for a film and not real. And I'll lose all my friends when I'm no longer active, and then get scolded again just to come home to no meal. I wanna kill myself, I wanna kill myself. It's all I hear right now, it's all I hear right now. I wanna kill myself, I wanna kill myself. It's all I hear right now, it's all I hear right now. I wanna kill myself, I wanna kill myself. It's all I hear right now, it's all I hear right now. I wanna kill myself, I wanna kill myself. It's all I hear right now, it's all I hear right now. I wanna break my vows, wanna neglect my health. How can I trust people if I can't trust myself? I wanna scream and shout, I wanna cry and pout, but I can't make myself. Why can't I make myself?